Hey everybody, it's Michael Seeds and Arrows Frontier. Today we're out at the building site, and we got a project going on right now. So we have right here the back side of our house and the basement wall. So this is all going to be right here, patio underneath a deck coming out from the side of the house. What we're intending on doing is we need a retaining wall going right along here to the side of the wall right there. So today what I'm going to do is I got the skid steer. I'm going to basically create a footer coming out from the wall and then kind of curving over here, and then later when we backfill, you know, we'll have the dirt and everything right up against the wall. So so that way when we have the dirt right here, it's not going to overflow onto the porch. So that's what we're doing. But the interesting thing I want to show is that obviously we got a lot of rocks just laying around here. So yeah, what we're gonna do is use these rocks all along here to try to do the retaining wall. So I'm gonna see if I can get enough rocks and everything to go through, and then we may actually have to get a jackhammer to break some of these apart, but it'll be a little bit of a chore. But see, I mean, we got like rocks all over the place. So I'm excited about this natural rock wall. So here we go. Okay, so we're starting back on our project here. Gonna try to get the rocks and get it all cleared out. All right, we got our footer dug here, so straightened it out. Got it down. It's looking good. Okay, so it's another year. We tried to work through a lot of our fall season. It started getting too cold to mix the concrete that we were comfortable with, or that I at least had knowledge about. But we're back out here with the rock wall for July 2023. So we've had other projects that we've been doing in the house, but now we're going to come back out here and try to tackle this. It seems like everything that we're doing with the excavation, the AC units trying to be hooked up, and the the drain pipes for the septic are being held up because of the rock wall. So we want to get the rock wall done so that way we can backfill in here with the excavator and then the backhoe, and then also get all this leveled out. So back to the rock wall. So we got these rocks over here that we're going to be trying to put into place. We cut these yesterday. Alright, so we're working on our rock wall, and we got a couple of stones that we dug up from my parents' house when they were doing it, so we decided to make use of these, and it's a little bit of a challenge, but we'll get it to work. So, hold on, let me get out of the way, Mike. Ready? There's one. There's two. Yesterday, and now we're going to try to see how they stack up, try to get this thing finished. So, moving along. Well, everybody, we're out here on the homestead and still working on our house, and as you can hear, the AC is going, and that is a beautiful sound right now in August, where we're hitting 95 degrees and up temperatures. Heat index is closer to over 100, so we got the ACs in, but I'm closing out a video that's been a year in the making, and a project that we started last year, and about October, so is our rock wall. So this is from the top angle. Now we're gonna obviously have steps coming off of our deck coming out here. This is not yet, this is going to be the backyard, as you can see, so we're not completely finished grading back here, but once we get that finished, then we'll get it closer to where we're at. We may actually add a couple more layers onto the top of the rock wall, but it's pretty much finished in my book. And so we got a little bit of a slope coming down right here. Once we get moved into the house, and we're going to probably try to do step down little garden area to where we can plant vegetables right along there, and then maybe even have a waterfall effect coming down the hill into a small pond. So that'll be in the future, but let me show you from the other side here. Here's our rock wall. We cut a lot of the stones. We started out with natural stone, as you can see down here at the bottom, and then as we started getting up to the top here, my uncle asked if we wanted to use his concrete cutter, and so it actually went in and cut this stone. I've been told it was limestone, but cut it pretty nice. So actually gave it a lot better texture. So we gotta get sprayed off then we're going to fill it in with mortar. But this is the main finished product of our rock wall. It is hot out here, so I'm going to get inside where the AC is nice and cool. And anyways, thanks for watching. Stay safe, make each day count, and God bless.